When I first entered Omni Hotel, I went to the business route because I know that I want to do business. And so we explored what it takes to run Omni Hotel behind the scenes, and we explored like the rooms, and we talked about the prices and how that's arranged. And then afterwards we talked to the panel, and they talked about their journeys and emphasized on what to do and what not to do in college.
Luna in general is just like a college prep school. So when you think of college prep, you think of going on trips. So when you get out of college, it's more like, I already kind of saw what this was like when I was younger. I already know this isn't what I want to do. So it just let me know now that I will actually want to do what I want to do in life, which is to create my own business and potentially have my own hotel.
I gained a different perspective of the business field. I thought you go to the office and just sit there and write documents. However, like everyone comes together and work together is what makes Omni Hotel function. So I think that's something that I'm looking forward, and learning about what Omni Hotel does and giving back to the community is so important to them. And I know that that's what I want to do whenever I open my own business.
I like cooking, and I liked seeing different aspects of the kitchen and where everybody is, and going to the Omni was definitely different, since when you think of cooking you actually think of like real food and stuff like pastries and desserts. So just sitting there rolling the chocolate around and just finding different ways to put your topping on, it was just like, do whatever I can do whatever I want to do. I can make as many as I want. I was like, take it.
I think it's important that Luna does these career exposure programs, because many students go to college not knowing what they want to do, and it's crucial for students to have these type of programs so that they can know what they want to do before they go to college. After going to this trip, like now I know what I want to do, and it serves as a motivation to pursue my goals in the business field.
Be sure to follow us on our social media pages for the latest news and events around our network. Stay connected with Uplift Education.